this is Sean Bacon with Xcellence Inspection Services, and today we're talking about foundation crack repair. One of the more common questions that I get on any given inspection, and especially in the beginning of the inspection when I meet with a client is, are there any signs of any seepage or any structural issues? Invariably as I'm in the basement here, and the cool thing is this is an unfinished basement. And basically unfinished means that we can actually see the foundation wall. It's poured concrete, it definitely helps from the inspection standpoint to be able to see those things. So it's not uncommon to see, either actual foundation cracks or repairs. So in this case here, we can see along the back wall, there's a series of repairs. Now, it's not uncommon for a foundation wall to have foundation cracks. Cracks can happen very early in the process during the curing process, which is when the concrete is getting to the point of strength for its intended purpose. So actually concrete doesn't dry, but it cures. But in that, those first few weeks or so, sometimes these cracks can occur. And then also when we take a look at the poured concrete wall, we can see, there's a window there. So when this window was cut, when this hole was cut for the window, the crack resulted from that. So we can see, we have a crack that's coming from the bottom of the window here down to the floor, and it has been professionally repaired. Now, this is what's called an epoxy crack injection repair. So it's actually these little injection ports here. This epoxy material is actually injected, and it seals the crack from the outside wall in. So this is the preferred way to repair a foundation crack, because in this way you can ensure that the crack is repaired properly and that there's not going to be any signs of seepage. So we can see we have a repair there. We have another one that's coming from the bottom of this window, and then we also have one that's just running from the top of the foundation wall to the bottom. So we have 3 foundation cracks here, but in the big scheme of things, it really doesn't mean much. It could be 1 foundation crack, it could be 4 more. The thing is that these cracks have been properly repaired, and this is the best way to repair foundation cracks. So if you have this in your own home, or if you're looking at a home that has these type of repairs, I think you can rest assured that you're not going to have any additional problems come up as far as seepage and things like that. This is Sean Bacon with Xcellence Inspection Services. If you would like for us to perform an inspection for you, please give us a call at 708-299-9233.